Villeroy Boch flush-mounted natural and artificial stone sinks are supplied with an installation set containing the following items: an outlet fitting, either with or without pop-up waste outlet, a rotary knob cover cap for single pop-up waste outlet fittings, leveling material and small leveling plates for height adjustment of the sink. The following are also required: P-trap, silicone gun, silicone wiper, natural stone silicone jointing compound. Observe the recommendations of the silicone manufacturer and the natural stone supplier. Have the cutout in the countertop made by your natural stone supplier in accordance with the dimensions in the installation instructions. These dimensions can also be found in our price list and in the professional area of our website. The countertop should have a minimum thickness of 30 or 40 millimeters. The sink is inserted into the precisely cut out countertop. Using the leveling material and leveling plate supplied, adjust it so that it is perfectly level. Seal the joint using the natural stone silicone. Remove surplus silicone with the silicone wiper. Connect up the supply and outlet lines.